Hello, my name is Jeremy Orlando. I'm here today. We're going to walk around the 2919 SAG Attitude. Let's just start in the back. Yes, it's got the rear patio deck with the rails and steps going out so you can utilize that space beautifully. 19 foot of cargo space, which is really important in these open floor plan toy haulers. One thing that I really like to see is that double door refrigerator, stainless steel appliances, and all the storage this unit has to offer. Another nice piece of this specific unit is the corner sink, full garden style sink, if you will, with actual counter space around it. Just works and flows very well. And please step in up top. You still get your full walk around bed, beautiful bathroom. The subwoofer, lots of things to offer in this unit. One thing that I really want to point out, though, is the power control center of this. You got a lithium battery, 5500 awning, and with the running gear, you get that full auto leveling. Thank you for walking around this 2919 SAG Attitude. My name is Jeremy Orlando. If you have any questions, please give me a call, 541-914-3693. If you have any questions on this unit or any other one we have on the lot, I'll be the man to help you.